Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you step by step on how to make only your contacts see your About information on WhatsApp. This is a quick and simple process to enhance your privacy on the app. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Once inside, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the menu button. Tap on it. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your WhatsApp account. Next, find and tap on Privacy. This is where you control who can see your personal information, such as your profile photo, status updates, and more. Now, look for the option labeled About and tap on it. Here, you'll see several visibility options for your About information. These include Everyone. This allows anyone using WhatsApp to see your About section. My Contacts. Only people saved in your phone's contact list can view it. My Contacts. Except, you can exclude specific contacts from seeing this information. Nobody. No one will be able to view your About section. To ensure only your contacts can see this information, select My Contacts. Once you've made this selection, the change will be applied automatically. And that's it. You've successfully updated your privacy settings to make sure only people saved in your contact list can view your About information. This small adjustment goes a long way in keeping your personal details secure while still allowing trusted contacts to stay connected with you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might want to enhance their WhatsApp privacy too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.